Hello friends, today we learn how to make 15-volt 3A power supply easy at home. For making this project we need some components: D313 transistor, LM7815 voltage regulator, 1000 microfarad 35 volt capacitor, 220 microfarad 35 volt capacitor, 1N5408 diode, 1N4007 diode, 2 heatsink, PCB board, 3A 12 volt 2 output transformer or 24 volt 3A transformer, soldering wire, soldering iron. First make circuit diagram. Transformer has two side. Primary side used for 220 volt power supply. Secondary side has 3 pin. Connect 1N5408 diode with first pin of transformer. If you use 12 volt transformer then leave second pin and use third pin for ground wire. Now connect positive side of 1000 microfarad capacitor with second side of diode, and negative side connect with ground wire. Now input wire of voltage regulator connect with second side of diode. Now 1N4007 diode connect with ground wire of voltage regulator like diagram. Now output wire of voltage regulator connect with base of transistor. Now collector pin of transistor connect with input wire of voltage regulator. Now positive side of 220 microfarad capacitor connect with emitter pin of transistor. And negative side of capacitor connect with ground wire. And finally emitter pin use for 15 volt positive output and ground wire use for negative output. D313 transistor has 3 pin, first base, second collector and third emitter. Now connect all components on PCB board using circuit diagram. Project is ready for test. You can see output voltage is 15 volt and current is 2.38 ampere. Thanks for watching. If you like our videos so please tell in comments. And don't forget to subscribe our channel.